What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable 120 Hz refresh rate on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. 120 Hz refresh rate is the touch sensitivity in which the screen uses to navigate around the screen. Okay, so the higher the refresh rate, the quicker response time for your screen's navigation. So how you enable the 120 Hz refresh rate is you go to settings. Here in settings, we're gonna go to accessibility. And here in accessibility, we're gonna select motion. Here in motion, we're gonna go towards the bottom and you're gonna see this limit frame rate. And you're just gonna wanna make sure that this feature is disabled. Okay, so you just wanna make sure that it's like that, because if it's enabled, it's gonna limit the refresh rate to 60 frames per second. Okay, but if you leave it disabled, then it will work at the high refresh rate that it comes standard with, which is 120 Hz refresh rate. So just make sure that this option right here is disabled and you are good to go. Your iPhone 16 Pro Max will be functioning at its full capacity of 120 Hz refresh rate. All right, everyone, so that is how you enable or disable 120 Hz refresh rate on your Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max. Go ahead and hit the like button if this video helped you. Comment down below, let me know. And if you want an epic custom wooden phone case for your phone like these, check out the links down below in the description. And that's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.